buddy. Hello, Christopher.
Oh, the lips.
Well, aren't you just so mad?
Yes, I love it.
Oh, such a good baby.
You're a good baby. Let me see. You want to suck yet? Not yet?
Oh, look at
You
you.
think, yep, you're thinking about it. I know. I know.
I want something that tastes better than plastic, though.
Yeah. Yeah. Not yet. Yeah, you're silly, huh?
Oh, listen to him gurgle and talk.
So butt cheeks.
Pretty butt.
Yeah. Oh, that's even better.
Oh, we like that.
Yeah, we like that. What do you think?
Sorry, sweet. I'm just trying to get all this cookie stuff out. There you go.
When do you think Mom can hold him?
All right, lift up if you can.
When she's cleaned up.
Awesome.
One more time.